Our client needed support for their upcoming global hackathon with an approach to design thinking that matched their culture. They decided to create a workshop to be deployed globally. However, they didn't have the resources to create it or the capacity to deliver it at scale. With the lack of internal capacity and less than a month to deploy the content, the client brought Trillium on board to help. Using both our content creators and our experienced facilitators, Trillium deployed 13 workshops across the globe, implementing a white glove solution that didn't require the client's presence. We iterated after each deployment, applying lessons learned and further refining the content to provide an optimal learner experience, even when technical issues required immediate development of a hybrid version of the workshop. We delivered value and quality for our clients' investment with their leaders and participants and elevated our clients' profile in the company. The workshop went from a hackathon prep exercise to sessions delivering solution ideation to genuine business problems. Our stakeholders reported back that the workshop was the talk of a hackathon, with participants praising the value and skills they learned. If high-impact, short-duration workshops would help you develop critical business skills, contact Trillium Creative Solutions today.